Okay, welcome again. Now we are outside at the barbecue and we're going to make a dish with the pineapple. The pineapple which we soaked in coffee kombucha, and after that we roast it on wood.
After we marinated for 3 days in the coffee kombucha, we're gonna roast them on wood barrels in the barbecue outside, and that takes around 2 or 3 hours. And in that time that's barbecuing, we are lacquer it every 15 minutes with a fat lac made from the coffee kombucha until it's cooked and very tender. When it's finished, we're gonna cut them at the table. So then on the dish we start with toasted white chocolate. With just cubes of raw pineapple. We have a cream made of lemon and pure chocolate. A crunch made from the coffee grind. Ice cream made from liquorice. Chips made from malt. A little bit of tonka bean. And a little bit thicker juice made from the coffee kombucha. So when the dish is finished, we come at the table with the plate and the pineapple. The pineapple we cut at table side, and then we explain them how we work with the pineapple and the barbecue and the kombucha. And then we put the pieces of pineapple on the plate.